children, we will see right side international date line. So children, I am explaining you what is important in this lesson, and we will skip which is not necessary, which is not in need for your examination. So what is important, that portion I am explaining you. I explained with two maps, which is very important, and which is very important from the examination point of view. We will do that much portion only. We will skip which is not necessary. Understood? So whatever I am telling you, you have to just read that portion only. So here we will see what is international date line. What do you mean by international date line and how it was started? So see children, page number 60. We will see right side international date line. Our 24-hour day starts at 12 midnight. Because of the Earth's rotation, midnight occurs at different times at different places. As the Earth is spherical in shape, every place has a place to its east. Then at what location to the east does the day start on the Earth? To get this answer to many questions like this, representatives of many nations got together under the leadership of American Professor Davidson in the year 1884 and decided on the international date line. The line was drawn opposite to Greenwich Prime Meridian, that is with reference to 180-degree meridian. It is an international convention to change the day and time while crossing the line. So children, it was very necessary that one common time or common rule which everybody should follow, because it was very confusing from traveling at one place to another place. Understood? So all over the people world, they decided that they will do something for this, and under the leadership of American Professor Davidson in the year 1884. See children, this concept was started in the there in the year 1884. Remember, in 18th century. Understood? And they decided about international date line. And already I told you, we know that opposite to prime meridian, the line was drawn. All these lines were imaginary. So it was decided that opposite to prime meridian, 180-degree meridian will be international date line. So that people will have convenient, they will not have any type of problem while traveling from one hemisphere to another hemisphere. And children, we know that after 12 o'clock midnight, a new day started. You know that. I did not explain you this, that after 12 midnight, we are supposed to enter in new day. Understood? So day and date is changed after 12 midnight. So this concept was started by American Professor Davidson in the year 1884 and which was accepted people all over the world. Understood? Now see the second paragraph. An attempt has been made to make ideal pass through Pacific Ocean completely. Had it passed through land or some island, the people there would have had to follow different dates and timing, because dates would have been different on their eastern and western part. Also, it would have been difficult to know when one crosses the ideal on land and when the date changes on the calendar. Therefore, ideal is not a straight line like 180-degree meridian. At places it turns east, while at places it turns west. So, figure 7.2 में जो figure है, that is we can see it is zigzag. It is zigzag. So, it is not straight. The ideal has been changed as when required. The last change was made in 2011. Nevertheless, maximum part of ideal coincides with 180-degree meridian. So children, it is zigzag. It is not straight. क्योंकि अगर स्ट्रेट होता तो कोई लैंड के ऊपर से जाता तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता था लोगों को. एक ही लैंड के ऊपर में ईस्ट वेस्ट ऐसे करना लोगों के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था टाइम डिसाइड करने में कि अभी अगर हमने कहाँ से चेंज कर गया, अगर हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं ये लैंड से दूसरे लैंड में क्रॉस किया तो ये क्या चेंज हो जाएगा, का चेंज हो जाता था. तो ये चीज़ कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करता था. सो द पीपल दैट डिसाइडेड दैट दिस लाइन विल बी should pass over the such place that it will not be not create any type of confusion for the people. So Pacific Ocean से ये उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि पैसिफिक ओशन के ऊपर से हम लोग इसको डिसाइड करेंगे आइडियल को. सो इट इज जिगजैग बिकॉज इन बिटवीन पैसिफिक ओशन सो मेनी आइलैंड्स आर देयर. तो अगेन कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था. सो ऐसा जिगजैग इसीलिए बनाया कि टू अवॉइड इंक्लूडिंग दो स्मॉल आइलैंड्स. सो जिगजैग था ये, जिगजैग बनाइए. तो लास्ट चेंज वॉज डन इन द ईयर 2011. अंडरस्टूड. सो this is for the people, convenient of the people, so that they will not have any type of confusion. Understood. So this attempt was made. So next we will see about importance of ideal. See children, why we are reading this chapter, why ideal is important. So we will see. The ideal brings coordination between international airline. Understood. Transportation services, economic and trade activities. The ideal has been carved out of necessity of coordinating time and date. It is also important in today's modern era, rapidly happening global developments. We can keep a track of all calculation of day and time accurately with the help of ideal. Understood. So ये सब जो है importance of ideal. क्यों? Why it is important? Because we are supposed to bring coordination between international airline. Transportation services, economic and trade activity. Also I told you about that for business transaction. The ideal has been a necessity of the coordinating time. तो सबसे important चीज़ है, we have to remember that for coordinating time. अंडरस्टूड. ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सबको एक रूल अगर हो जाएगा सबका, तो इट विल बी कन्वीनियंट फॉर द पीपल. अंडरस्टूड. एंड फॉर ग्लोबल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पीपल. अंडरस्टूड. सो वी कैन कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डे एंड टाइम. तो ये चीज हमको ट्रैवलिंग करते समय इंटरनेशनल प्लेसेस और बाहर के देशों में जाने के लिए जब हम लोग एयर टिकट लेते हैं, जब हम लोग को ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है, तो ये चीज़ हमको कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगा. हमको एग्जैक्टली ये पता चलेगा कि व्हेन वी आर सपोज टू रीच एट दैट प्लेस एंड व्हेन वी आर सपोज टू स्टार्ट फॉर द जर्नी टू अनदर प्लेस. सो दिस विल बी फॉर द कन्वीनियंट फॉर द पीपल. इट विल बी ईजी फॉर द पीपल while traveling. Understood.